You ask, how quickly does a Facebook group grow? Well, it's not an easy question to ask because it all depends on, do you already have a following on Facebook? Do you have a lot of friends on Facebook? Because you could send them invites. You could actually create your group, and actually advertise it. You could take the link for the group and you could post it on different platforms such as YouTube or even Instagram, Facebook, to your friends. But you could also possibly, if you get into the right groups in Facebook, and if they allow it, you can actually paste that link into their groups. But you got to read the About section of what the group rules are. So there's so many moving parts involved as to how quickly you can grow a group on Facebook. Because of the mere fact, it all depends on what you're trying to accomplish. Is it a private group? Is it a public group? So if you find this video helpful, please, if you have any more questions, please reach out to me. My name is Robert Miller. I'm with Miller Education Ventures. And again, if you have anything you need answers for, just reach out.